Most people get this wrong when they hear about apps like JustDice. They assume it is an easy way to earn money, just by playing games. But here's the truth no one tells you. These apps do pay, but the real question is whether the time and effort are actually worth it. In this video, you will learn what the JustDice app really is in 2026, how it works, whether it is legit, and what kind of earnings you can realistically expect. And by the end, you will know if it is worth installing or skipping completely. Let's start with how it works. JustDice is a rewards platform where users earn points by playing mobile games, completing offers, and staying active in partner apps. Those points can later be exchanged for gift cards, or cash depending on your region. But here's the problem most beginners face. The earning rate is extremely slow at the start. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app partners with game developers who pay for user engagement. That means you are basically being rewarded for your time and attention. But the payout per hour is usually very low, unless you consistently use high-value offers. So is it legit? Yes. JustDice is a real app, and it does pay users. Many people do receive small payouts through gift cards or PayPal depending on availability. But legitimacy is not the same as profitability. Let's break down real expectations. New users often earn only a small amount per day, sometimes just a few cents to a couple of dollars depending on activity and region. Someone like Alex who casually plays games might see slow progress. Meanwhile, someone like John who focuses on higher reward tasks may earn slightly more, but still not a full-time income. This is where most people fail. They expect fast money from passive gameplay. But these apps are designed for casual rewards, not serious income. In a minute, here is the key insight that changes everything. The highest earnings usually come from limited time offers, not just playing games. That means strategy matters more than time spent. Now let's talk about pros and cons. The good side is that it is free, easy to use, and does pay real rewards. The downside is slow earnings, limited availability in some regions, and high time investment for low return. So what is the final verdict? JustDice is legit, but it is not a reliable income source. It is better seen as a small side activity rather than a money-making strategy. If you enjoy mobile games, it can be a fun way to earn a little extra. But if you are looking for serious earnings, this is not the right platform. To sum it up, JustDice works, but expectations matter. It pays small rewards, not real income. Use it for fun, not financial goals. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more honest app reviews like this.